The majority of people are aware that scorpions have venom that can cause excruciating pain, but they don't know much else about these incredible arthropods. In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 facts about scorpions. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Here are some of the most interesting facts about scorpions. Number 10. They have children while they are still young. Unlike insects, which lay their eggs outside of their bodies, scorpions give birth to live offspring, a process known as viviparity. During this stage of development, some scorpion species develop within a membrane, where they receive nourishment from their mothers as well as an egg yolk. Others develop without a membrane and receive nutrition from their mothers directly during this stage of development. The gestational stage can last anywhere from 2 to 18 months depending on the species. The typical gestational stage lasts approximately 12 months. Newborn scorpions are carried on their mother's back after birth, where they remain safe until their first molt. During this time, the newborn scorpions ride on the back of their mother. They then go their separate ways. Number 9. They have a very long lifespan. The majority of arthropods have short lifespans in comparison to other types of animals. A great number of insects only live for a few weeks or months. Mayflies last just a few days. However, scorpions are one of the arthropods that live the longest of all arthropods. The average lifespan of a scorpion in the wild is between 2 and 10 years. Scorpions have been known to live for up to 25 years when kept in captivity. Number 8. They have the ability to thrive in virtually any environment. The average lifespan of a modern scorpion is around 25 years. There is no coincidence there. The scorpion is a true champion of the animal kingdom. A scorpion can go an entire year without eating if it needs to. As with horseshoe crabs, they have book lungs, which allow them to breathe underwater for up to 48 hours at a time without needing to surface for air. The only source of moisture that scorpions need for survival is the food they eat, despite the fact that they live in harsh, dry environments. They have extremely sluggish metabolic rates, and as a result, they need only a tenth as much oxygen as the majority of insects. It would appear that scorpions are nearly impossible to kill. Number 7. Before mating, scorpions perform a dance. Promenade is the name given to an elaborate courtship ritual that is performed by scorpions, literally, a walk for two. When the male and female make physical contact with one another, the dance is said to have begun. The male gently guides his partner back and forth while holding her by her pedipalps until he finds an appropriate location for his spermatophore. As soon as he has placed his sperm package, he leads the female over to it and positions her genital opening in a way that allows her to absorb the sperm. Number 6. They illuminate brightly in the dark. The reason why scorpions glow when exposed to ultraviolet light is a topic of ongoing debate among scientists. The cuticle, also known as the skin, of a scorpion is able to absorb ultraviolet light and then reflect it as visible light. After a molt, a scorpion's new cuticle is initially delicate and does not contain the substance that is responsible for its fluorescence. Therefore, scorpions that have just completed their molt do not emit a glow in the dark. Even after being encased in rock for hundreds of millions of years, the fossils of scorpions can emit a fluorescent glow. Number 5. Scorpions have venom in their bites. Scorpions do produce venom. There are actually 5 segments of the abdomen that curve upward to form the terrifying appearance of the tail, and at the very end there is a segment that is known as a telsin. The venom is manufactured in the telsin of the snake. A structure that resembles a sharp needle and is known as the aculeus can be found at the very end of the telsin. That there is the device that administers the venom. Whether it needs to kill prey or defend itself from predators, a scorpion is able to control when it produces venom and how potent the venom is. This allows the scorpion to maintain its own survival. Number 4. Scorpions do not pose a significant threat to human beings. Scorpions have venomous stingers, and getting stung by one is not exactly an enjoyable experience. However, the reality is that scorpions, with very few notable exceptions, are unable to cause significant harm to humans. Only 25 of the nearly 2,000 species of scorpions that can be found across the globe are known to produce venom that is potent enough to be lethal to an adult. Centroroides sculpturatus, also known as the Arizona bark scorpion, does in fact produce venom that is toxic enough to kill a young child. Because of the widespread availability of anti-venom in medical facilities across its range, cases of fatality are extremely uncommon. Number 3. Scorpions do not possess any bones. Since scorpions are classified as arachnids, their skeletons do not contain any bones. They are protected by an exoskeleton made of chitin. This also holds true for spiders, mites, and ticks, among other pests. Even crustaceans like crabs, lobsters, and shrimp are not exempt from its application. The scorpion will shed its exoskeleton 6 times over the course of its lifetime, once every 2 to 6 years on average, due to the fact that it does not grow. The discarded skin has the appearance of a dead scorpion, which terrifies many potential new owners. Number 2. Certain types of scorpion venom have been shown to have therapeutic effects. Despite the fact that there may be risks associated with consuming scorpion venom, research has revealed that scorpion venom contains many beneficial chemicals. Although many more chemicals in scorpion venom have yet to be discovered, they have been shown to be a rich source of medicinal biomimicry. Lesser Asian scorpion venom contains antimicrobial peptides that may be effective against a wide range of malaria-causing bacteria, fungi, and parasites. Furthermore, the venom of the Lesser Asian scorpion contains anti-inflammatory properties, suggesting that it could be used to treat arthritis. Other scorpion venom components have been shown to have immunosuppressive properties, raising the possibility that they could be used to treat autoimmune diseases. Number 1. Scorpions can be consumed by humans. Because they are nocturnal and only active at night, scorpions are notoriously difficult to find during the day. However, you might be able to find one hiding under some rocks or bark because they are nocturnal. Tarantulas and scorpions are considered edible in a number of different cultures and countries. They are an indispensable source of protein. In remote areas, adults and children alike will look for them and try to find them. In areas with a higher human population density, scorpions are bought and sold as a snack food. What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.